Hi, I'm Robert Hazen, scientist at the Carnegie Institution for Science in Washington, D.C. My background is in astrobiology and mineralogy, and I'm delighted that I'll be able to talk to you on November 22nd about the coevolution of the geosphere and biosphere. Now, you might ask, why in the world would an astrobiologist care about mineralogy? Well, it's clear because minerals are the oldest objects you can hold in your hands. They tell the stories of the origin and evolution of planets and moons. And think about it, every specimen is a time capsule. It's just waiting to be opened and read. So I'll be looking at minerals in this new way in the evolutionary system of mineralogy. And just as a teaser for astrobiologists, think about this. We suspect that minerals can provide a planetary scale biosignature, which we can use to look at Earth and other planets in a new way. Thanks very much. I look forward to seeing you on the 22nd of November.